Creating a new scene and adding or removing modules. Creating a new scene. First, log into Xengine and go to the home menu. Select Windows PC mode. Click OK to complete the scene creation. Add a module. Enter the Xengine operating interface. Click on Asset to open the list of model assets. Click on Basic Resources to select any of the basic resources as your skyball. Open any module asset list and select the module you want. Once selected, hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the interface. To delete a module, left-click on the main screen to select the module you want to delete. Once selected, right-click to bring up the module menu. Click on Delete to delete the module. Delete module method 2. View the module assets in use below. Left-click to select the module you want to delete. Right-click and select Delete. Moving modules and switching views. Moving modules method 1. Click on the module on the main screen to select the module to be moved. Click on the arrow and drag the mouse to move it. Move module method 2. Click to select the module to be moved. Check the menu bar, Basic Attributes. Move the module by changing the X, Y, and Z values of the module. Angle of view switching. When you need to change the viewpoint. In the main screen, right-click and hold the mouse and drag the mouse to adjust the angle of view. Move back and forth. Press and hold the right mouse button and the W key on the keyboard to move the view forward. Press and hold the right mouse button and the S key on the keyboard to move the view backward. Or slide the mouse wheel to change the view from front to back. Move left and right. Press and hold the right mouse button and press and hold the A key to move the view to the left. Press and hold the right mouse button and press and hold the D key to move the view to the right. Move up and down. Press and hold the Q key to move down. Press and hold the right mouse button and press and hold the E key to move up. Once you have become proficient, you can move the view at will by long pressing the right mouse button and keyboard W, S, A, D, Q, E and dragging the mouse.